everyone, and today I will be assembling a 3-tier basket that my mom got at Costco. And I will be trying to assemble this without my mom's help. Now I will open up this lid. And here is the contents that is inside of the box. A basket. Basket number 2. Basket number 3. And this is a pretty heavy basket, so I think the quality is pretty good. This stuff is pretty heavy. Okay, so now I'm going to cut all of these zip ties. Let's open this up and see the instructions. First, we need to take these out, I think. And this. Okay, so this looks like quite an easy assemble, so I think I can be able to do this without my mom's help. So it looks like the first step is to here. And then you take one of these nails and you insert it into the bottom hole and screw it on. You want to get these 2 sticks, but you don't want to get the stick with this extra long thing at the top. And so you want to get these 2 sticks and line them up with the hole. And now we are going to take our nails again and screw them in. So this screwdriver that came in the package didn't really work, so I'm using this screwdriver instead. Now I'm going to add in the other bolt. Okay, so now that I assembled this, I'm going to put this on. And now I'm going to take these nails and screw them on again. Now for the last step, I'm going to assemble this. Now I can add the handle. Now I can add my final 2 nails. Now we can finally add the baskets. I think this basket will come very handy in my kitchen. Goodbye!